Hi everyone, welcome to Cola Teaches Math. So today we're going to do AP review. We're going to talk about partial fractions, which is a BC only topic. And you can use partial fractions when you can factor the denominator. So that's kind of the dead giveaway when it's partial fractions. The denominator can be factored, and we are only responsible to be able to do partial fractions with linear, non-repeating factors. So like x plus 1, x plus 2, x minus 3, x plus 5, so they cannot repeat. So step one is we're going to factor the denominator. So we're going to go ahead and factor this, and it's going to be 1 over x minus 4, x minus 2. Sorry, I couldn't read that for a second. And what we're going to do is we're going to assign temporary numerators. So a over x minus 4, b over x plus 2, x minus 2 rather, and it doesn't matter which one goes where. So the quick trick is you're going to multiply a times the other denominator plus b times the other denominator, and we're going to set it equal to the numerator, which is 1. Now there's multiple ways to solve this, but the quickest way is we're going to assign a temporary variable. We're going to let x equal a number, and we want that bubble to become 2. So if x is equal to 2, that entire parentheses is going to cross out. And if I replace x with 2 in the other bubble, we're going to get negative 2b equals 1, so b is negative 1/2. We're going to do that process again for the other parenthesis. We want it to drop out, so I'm going to let x equal 4. And when I let x equal 4, that entire green parenthesis is going to drop out, so we're going to be left with 2a equals 1, so a is 1/2. Okay, we now replace our temporary numerators with those values, and we are going to integrate it, because partial fractions is just a way to decompose the fraction and write it into two fractions that we can then integrate separately. And both fractions are always going to integrate to natural log. So you can go ahead, you can do a u sub if you want, you can let u equal the denominator, but I'm also going to bring the numbers in front of the integral. So you can see I am splitting up the integral, giving the first integral 1/2, the second one minus 1/2. And if we're going to go ahead and do the u sub, like I said, u is going to be the denominator for both of them. So let u equal x minus 4 and x minus 2. Du for both of them is going to be dx, which is great. And now when we do my u sub, we're only going to plug in for the x minus 4 and the dx. So we're going to have 1/2 the integral 1 over u du minus 1/2 the integral 1 over u du. Well, 1 over u integrates to natural log. Do not forget the numbers in front. We're going to have 1/2 ln absolute value of u, which is x minus 4, minus 1/2 ln absolute value of u, which is x minus 2, plus c. And that is it. Make sure you know partial fractions, BC kids.